class 11, exercise number 3.5, question number 6. As the question is given, find the value of lambda for which the following system does not possess a unique solution. Also solve the system for the value of lambda, and the given system is, I already write the question. Here we have the question. Question number 6. The system is x1 plus 4x2 plus lambda x3 is equals to 2. 2x1 plus x2 minus 2x3. This is minus 2x3 is equals to 11. 3x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 is equals to 16. So I take the given system. Now I want to solve it. So first of all, we write in matrix form. So I write the step here, writing in matrix form. So first we write the matrix form: x1 coefficient 1, x2 coefficient 4, x3 coefficient lambda, x1 coefficient 2, then 1, minus 2, 3, 2, minus 2. The variables involved in this system is x1, x2, x3. So I write here x1, x2, x3. After equal, we write 2, 11, 16. This system is called non-homogeneous system because after equal we have the constant values, we not have the 0. If after equal we have the 0, the system is called homogeneous, as we study in question number 4 and question number 5. So now here, writing in matrix form, I write the system in a matrix form. This is my matrix A, this is the value of X, and this is the value of B. So here A is this, X is this, and B is this, 2, 11, 16. I want to calculate the determinant first. So here A determinant means 1, 4, lambda, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, minus 2. So I want to calculate the determinant. As we know that we expand from the first row each element. So 1 we write, after that 2 straight lines, 4 we write, after that we write 2 straight lines, then lambda we write, after that 2 straight line. That is the procedure I already told all the students. So first we write positive, then alternate signs, negative, then positive. So we change the alternate signs, positive, negative, and positive. After this step, we have here 1. 1 lies in first row as well as in first column. So we left first row and first column. What we left behind? 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2. So I write here 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2. After that 4. So hide 4 in first row as well as the second column. So we hide them. So 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2 left behind. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, and then 3 minus 2. Lambda in first row and last column, column number 3. What left behind? 2, 1, 3, 2. So we write here 2, 1, 3, 2. After next page, we'll go to solve it. This is my page number 1. Next, page number 2, I place it here. So now we carry on the step. A determinant equal 1. 1 multiply minus 2, give me minus 2. Minus for the formula. So minus minus give me plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 outside. Minus 2 multiply with 2. It becomes minus 4. So minus comes for the determinant. Minus minus plus. 3 2s are 6. Plus lambda. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 1s are 3. Here we got the step. So after that, next what left behind here? 1. 2 left behind. Minus 4. 2 left behind plus lambda into 1. So 2, 4 2s are 8 plus lambda. Here we have lambda, we write first because we have 2 minus 8 minus 6. So we write lambda first. Positive value I write first. A determinant will be 0 if this determinant's value lambda minus 6 equals to 0. Here we got the value of lambda. Lambda is equals to 6. This is my value of lambda. I want to put this value of lambda in the given system. That is my given system. Here we put the value of lambda. When I put here, like this, I made the matrix A, and this is the value of B. When I put here 6, so how we write the system? For lambda is equals to 6, given system does not possesses a unique solution. Therefore, we take the augmented matrix. Is how we take the augmented matrix? Augmented means we write the matrix with its value of B. So how we adjust it? We write here as A small b. How we adjust? 1, 4. In the place of lambda, we put 6. So I write 6 here. Then 2, 1, minus 2. 3, 2, minus 2. So we write its augment. Augment is after equal the value of b. 2, 11, 16. So we write here 2, 11, 16. So as you know, in question number 3, echelon form and reduced echelon form, we take the augmented matrix. So here we convert, here we reduce it to reduced echelon form. Now we reduce it to the reduced echelon form. When we reduce it into echelon form, we write that row operation, all the system 1, 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 11, 3, 2, minus 2, and 16. On the next page, page number 3, I'm going to proceed it. That is page number 3. So now we convert the echelon form. Row operation. First we write the empty system. What we want to do? Here you write by. What we want to do? Here we have 1. Beneath 1, in first column, except 1, I just made all the entries 0. Okay dear? Means I want to make 2 0, I want to make 3 0, because we apply the row operation here. So this is 1. What I do by row 1, because 1 is in row 1. So right here by row 1. In row 2, this is 2 positive. So I change the sign, -2, multiply with row 1, add in the second row where we want to make 0. Add into row 2, it becomes row 2 dash. Now for the same row 1, this is 3. In row 1, we multiply with -3 because here is plus, we change the sign. We multiply with -3 and add into row 3. It becomes row 3 dash. Now we proceed it. There is change in second row and third row. No change in first row. So we write first row same, 1, 4, 6, 2. Now we go to change it. -2, ones are -2, plus 2 give us 0. -2, fours are -8. -8 plus 1, that is -7. -2, 6 are -12. -12 minus 2, -14. -2, 2s are -4. -4 plus 11, that give me 7. Now the last work, -3, ones are -3 plus 3 give me 0. -3, fours are -12. -12 plus 2 give me -10. -3, 6 are -18. -18 minus 2 give me -20. Now the last one, -3, 2s are -6. -6 plus 16, that gives me 10. Hope so you understand this kind of calculation. Now what we do in the next, we proceed it. We go in the principal diagonal or the main diagonal. We made this entry -7 as 1. So how we proceed it? We focus that -7 by it belongs to row 2, by row 2. What is this? -7 divide by same number, 1 by -7. So it gives me row 2 dash. So only change into row 2. In the division, only change into row 2. So write the remaining rows same, 1, 4, 6, 2, 0, -10, -20, 10. Now we go to divide -7, row 2 all. 0 divided by -7, give me 0. -7 divided by -7, give me 1. -14 divided by -7, give me +2. Then after this, 7 divided by -7, give me -1. So that is the procedure, students, to made it 1. Now I got this one. I want in this column, in second column, above 1, 4, beneath 1, -10. I want that this 4 is 0 and this -10 also 0. So what we do now? We write the row operation. Now made the empty brackets. Here you write by and focus this row 2 where you have 1. So by row 2, I write row 2. Above this one we have 4 positive. So I want to change the sign. -4 multiply with row 2 and add where we want to make the 0. That is in row 1. So add into row 1. It becomes row 1 dash. Now next row 2. This is row 2. I multiply with this is -10 given to me. I want to change the sign. It becomes 10. So 10 multiply row 2, add into row 3. Add into row 3. It gives me row 3 dash. So we have the two changes in row 1 as well as in row 3. So row 2 remains the same. So I want to write row 2 first. 0, 1, 2, then -1. Now I want to do first work. Now let me hide for you. There is no change. Okay dear, in row 3 no change. -4 multiply with this element first, this entry first, because row 2. We focus row 2 and add in row 1. -4 multiplies 0. -4 multiplies 0, give me 0, 0 plus 1 because we add. 0 plus 1 give me 1. Now we come to the next entry, minus 4 multiply 1. Minus 4 multiply 1, give me minus 4 plus 4, 0. Minus 4 multiply 2, minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. Then what we do, minus 8 plus 6, na? I just do it, minus 4 plus 4, 0, minus 8 plus 2, it becomes minus 2. I got this wrong calculation. Minus 8 plus 6, 4 2s are 8, minus 8 plus 6, minus 2. So now it is correct. Next, minus 4 multiply 1 plus 4 plus 2, that gives me plus 6. Now calculation is correct now. Next work is row 2 multiply 10 multiply with row 2 and add in row 3. So we hide row 1 because there is no change right now. So we work a lot along row 2 and row 3. Now 10 is multiply with 0. 10 multiply with 0 because in row 2. 0 plus 0, 0. 10 multiply 1. 10 minus 10 give me 0. This is I want. These two things I want. 10 multiply 2. 20. 20 minus 20 gives me also 0. Now 10 multiply minus 1. Minus 10 plus 10 give me 0 as well. So see students, last row, row number 3, all entries are 0. If this entry is not 0, here 0. If this entry is not 0, so we will solve that entry. Okay dear? Now this all row becomes 0. What we do, therefore we find the solution first. So therefore solution is, how you find the solution? In the question, as I mentioned before, x1, x2, x3 is given. See, x1, x2, x3. So we will proceed with x1, x2 and x3. This is my x1, this is my x2, this is my x3 equals to 6. So x2 is 0. x1, therefore solution we find x1 minus 2x3 equals to 6. x1, x2 is 0. We can't write it. Minus 2x3 because this is x1, x2, x3. Got it dear students? Equals to 6. We said it, number 1. Next, x1 is 0, x2, x3 is there. x2 plus 2x3 equal minus 1. Set number 2. And the last, when all is 0, what we do? We suppose it. Let x3 is equals to t. What is t? T is any arbitrary constant. So I want to put t in 2 first. Put in equation 2. This is x2 plus 2t is equals to minus 1. So I want to bring this 2t other side. x2 is equals to minus 1 minus 2t. So we arrange this as x2 is equals to minus 2 minus 1. We write t first and then constant after that. This is my x2 value. After that, I want to put this x3 in 1. So first we put in 2, then in 1. Put x3 is equals to t in equation 1. So next page I take, page number 4. Here we write the page. Now I put it x1 minus 2t is equals to 6. So x1 is equals to 2t plus 6. I write 2t first. So these are the two values I got when I suppose x3 is equals to t, where t is any arbitrary constant. I got 3 answers. The third one is I supposed, then x2 I got, x1 I got. Okay dear students, so I just made this rectangular box on them. the solution is, we made the solution, arrange it. Thus required solution is, we just arrange it. First x1 we write it, x1 2t plus 6, x2, here we got the x2 value, x2 is minus 2t minus 1, and x3 we suppose it, that is t. So these are the three solutions where t is an arbitrary constant. That's the end of question number 6. Hope so you all understand this question.